Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, here we have my TCL Google TV, and today I'm going to show you to install Google Chrome. Now of course, in order to install Google Chrome, you'll need a APK file, and of course that APK file will need to be added to a flash drive, and then the flash drive to the TV. And what you want to do here is you want to find an APK file website such as APK Pure, something like that in the terms of the name, and then you want to download Chrome as an APK file. Since it's a Google TV, it's an Android TV, and you can actually install these files. Now let me show you pretty quickly. If you go to apps and you search, you'll not find Google Chrome. It's not one of the official apps, so I'll type in Chrome. Here we go. Here we go. And it will not find anything related to Google Chrome.
Results for Chrome.
Alright, so as you see, there's only these browsers. There is Google app for Android TV, and there's the Gboard, there's some other stuff, but no Chrome itself. Alright, so as you can see, it's only Chrome. Sorry, there's no Chrome, only Google app for Android TV. And if you look at this app, it's not a web browser, it's simply stuff for movies and so on. It does have a search feature and some weather related stuff, but it's not really Chrome browser. So I'm going to show you directly how to install Chrome browser. So we're going to add the flash drive to the TV. Alright, so the flash drive is added to the TV. It has popped up. I'm going to exit. We're going to go back to the home screen. I'm going to use my file explorer, which is FX, and the flash drive is in. So it says here, let me see, and so I'm going to hit OK. Alright, so we're going to look at the flash drive in a second. Alright, so we're going to go to the USB drive. Then I have my APK files in this folder. Alright, so as you can see, we have a bunch of APK files. Alright, so as you can see here again, these are what I downloaded from that site called APK Pure. You can check that out yourself and figure it out. I'm not promoting it in terms of I'm not associated, just telling you where I got it. So we're gonna go to Chrome. So this is a app that's meant for browsers, sorry, for phones, but it will work on the TV. So we're gonna hit install. I've never tried it yet, but I'm not sure if it will open. Alright, I can hit open here, but I'm gonna hit done. I'm gonna go home. Now normally apps that are installed will install here and they'll appear over here. However, as you can see, it's not there, and the reason for that is because this is a different app. It's just an APK, so it's not really meant for the TV directly, but it still can work in cases. So we're gonna go down to apps. Under here, we're gonna go to see all apps. And there we have Chrome. So we're gonna tap on Chrome, and as you can see here, you can open it from here. You have all the controls. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna hit, sorry about that, open. There you go. As you can see, we're gonna accept the terms. Let's accept the terms and so on. Alright, so it's as far as I'm able to go. It doesn't allow me to accept. Alright guys, I was stuck here because remember, these are not designed for TVs. So what I did was to hook up my controller because the remote doesn't allow me to move down, and simply use the gear stick on the controller to move down, and it will allow me to go to the accept. So I hit on accept. So as you can see here, we're going to use the controller to maneuver and answer all of these. So in case you get stuck, use a controller or maybe something else other than your remote. The remote doesn't give me enough flexibility. Alright, so you want to try that. Alright guys, so here I have the Chrome installed, and of course once I have the Chrome installed, the controls are a little bit wonky, but I'm able to go to stuff like Amazon and so on. And let me prove that it's working. I'm going to open it directly. There you go. So as you can see, it's working fine and everything is up and running. Hope that was useful guys. See you in the next one. Bye.